fastest police boat, and it's here in Dubai. How freaking cool is this? Alright, they're taking out especially for us today. This is Lieutenant Colonel Ali Abdullah Al Qasim Al Nahvi.
Yes,
but
welcome.
can I call you Ali?
Yes, okay.
Love it. Alright, come with me, guys. Alright, should I sit here or here?
Anywhere.
Anywhere. It travels at 170 kilometers an hour. They get the call and they are first on the scene to like chase the baddies down or to actually rescue people. We've got rescue jet ski boat here and 2 Dubai police boats trailing. All for this shoot today. All for this shoot on my channel. How crazy.
6, 7, go!
Okay, so to get up to the highest speed, you've got both of them sitting here. You're actually controlling the motors. Ooh, and you're actually controlling the wheel, the steering wheel. So you need 2 guys to be able to be fully in control of this boat. All right, I think it's my turn. Let's do it. First gear?
Together, yes.
Together?
One step, you will feel.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Yes. Okay, now you are start.
All right, count me down, Colonel.
Okay,
Okay,
ready?
ready? Go! This is full throttle! Oh my god, it's so awesome in the front! That's it, you guys. I hope you liked the vid. That was super special for me. Colonel Ali,
Yes.
thank you so much. Shukran. It was the best day ever. And thank you to Dubai Police. That was just
Anytime also.
anytime. All right,
Anytime
tomorrow.
you can, tomorrow. After tomorrow we are ready. Really?
All right.
Yes.
I'll take your word for it. All right, tomorrow, same place, same time with the Dubai Police. All right, that's it.